Hey y'all, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chantel. So y'all, today I am going to buy a new phone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max to be exact. I've always been a tech type of girl, but I'm also a if it's not broken, don't fix it type of girl as well. Do you get? I've been using my iPhone 8 Plus since it launched. Was it between either 2018 or 2019? I'm really bad with dates, but yeah, I've been using this phone since then, and I didn't feel the need to change it because, like I said, if it's not broken, why fix it? But it has started giving me issues, hence my need to upgrade. This upgrade was supposed to be my birthday gift. Like, it was supposed to be my birthday gift to myself. When I went to Dubai, I wanted to get the 13 Pro Max, and my friend's like, why don't you just wait till September and get the recent one instead of buying this one? And it made a lot of sense. I decided to just manage and be patient with this one. This one has started giving me issues, and I'm not mad at it because it's been with me for the longest time, no issues whatsoever. But these days it's slow, it can just go blank, so many back and forth with it. But yeah, so I decided to wait till September. They released it. I wanted to get it from the US, but the whole eSIM issue, it wasn't really a problem because MTN has eSIM. I confirmed from them. But getting a hold of the phone was just so impossible. I'll see it on the website. Before I get someone to go to the store and look for it, it's sold out. You will check again, it will show up. Next thing is it will disappear. I just lost hope. But yeah, I'm getting it today from Nigeria, and this version is going to be the one with the physical SIM and eSIM. So that way I have both, and yeah, in case MTN stops doing eSIM, I can always switch SIM cards. You get. In Nigeria at the moment, it's just MTN and 9 Mobile that have the eSIM option. So yeah, let's go. I already contacted them. They've not had it since. I've been seeing in Lagos stores, but none in Port Harcourt. So I contacted them recently, and they said they were expecting it on or before Friday. Today is a Thursday, by the way. I called again today and said it's available. The only bummer is that the color I really want, purple, is not available in the storage capacity I want. It's available in a higher capacity, but I'm not ready to spend that money just because of color, to be honest. So I think I'll just go with another color. Let me get into the store and see what they have, and then pick it up, and then we'll go back home and unbox. I'm really excited. I can't wait. Let my camera quality change and let my phone stop hooking and hanging and behaving erratic, basically. So yeah, let's just go to the store. And it went like,
you look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we...
Yeah, she is. I got it in my favorite color, purple, actually. So it was, the price was within my budget, and I decided to go for the purple. Yes. And they gave me a complimentary screen guard, which I will install at home. They also do it for me there, but because I want to film the unboxing and everything, I'll do it myself later. I got it from a shop called Doe Resources. They are an authorized Apple reseller, and also for Bang and Olufsen. So yeah, I have my phone. I am about going home to set it up. I don't have Wi-Fi, and I need Wi-Fi. I'll probably use my mom's phone as a hotspot and just set it up. So yeah, to transfer everything from here to this one. So I got the 14 Pro Max, see purple, 250. I can't speak. 256 gig. Like I said, I just needed this upgrade because it's high time, to be honest. In terms of content creation, a lot of things that I need phone for. it's really important. So this is not like I'm just splurging for the sake of splurging. It's because it's a need, not a want. Yeah, I'll talk to you all later. Let me head home before traffic starts. What's the time? Okay, almost 4 o'clock. So yeah. After I have completely transferred everything from my 8 Plus to the new one, and as a matter of fact I'm using the new one in cinematic mode and I think it looks really nice. I can't wait to explore the phone even more and just discover a lot of new things about it. I'm really excited. I love the fact that I might not necessarily have to take my camera with me every time I want to vlog. I can as well use my phone and get very decent quality. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Are you looking to get any of the 14 series? And if you have already gotten it, let me know your pros and cons about it so that I can keep that in mind. Alrighty, subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Check the description box. I listed out the vendor I got the cases from. Shipping was so fast. Like I got my items in less than 2 weeks, which is a first with Aliexpress. I mentioned it on my Instagram story as well. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Signing out. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. Baby,